Join me as I try a Haven holiday for the very first time. In this video, I'll take you on a full tour of the site, show you the accommodation, the facilities, and yes, we'll head to the beach too. From swimming pools to activities, I'll show it all, and I'll also share with you exactly how much I paid for a full week stay. And I'm staying here at Haven Hopton-Holiday-Village on the Norfolk Coast. I literally did not know what to expect from a Haven or staying in a caravan full stop, but what I found has really surprised me. So we're going to be taking a leisurely stroll around the park. We'll explore all the best spots and I'll show you my caravan, and I'll give you a few handy tips so you can decide whether you want to try a Haven or visit Hopton-Holiday-Village for yourself. This site is massive. It spans around 100 acres, but even with its size, Hopton-Holiday-Village is a lot smaller than its sister park, Haven Seashore, just up the road in Great Yarmouth. To stay there, you're looking at hundreds of pounds extra, but there's definitely a lot more here to do than you can expect. Hopton is conveniently located only 7 miles from Great Yarmouth, so if you have a car, it's a 15-minute drive away, and there's also a local bus route just down the road that connects to Great Yarmouth as well. To your left, this is where you're going to check in when you arrive, and since COVID there's no more queuing, it's all paperless now. I was actually really surprised. We drove up, the staff already had our names on the tablets and they checked us in straight away, straight from our car, told us where our keys were in the caravan, it was already unlocked, and just handed us our play passes, which I'll talk about them a little bit later on. They said literally nothing else other than where our caravan was and to have a great time. Nothing about the Haven app, where you can get just about anything you need for your stay. You can access park information, view personalised maps and book activities and dining, including your restaurants and events. You can also use it for contactless arrival, like I said, meaning you no longer have to deal with long queues, book your entertainment passes, and you can order your food and drink for collection or even have it delivered to your caravan. We actually tried fish and chips from Cook's in a caravan, and although it was expensive, it was amazing quality, and the fish genuinely was some of the best I've ever had. This is where you'll find reception. Reception closes at 5:30, and if you need anything after this time, then there's a 24-hour number on the back of your caravan keys or on the kitchen cabinets in your caravan. The staff here have been amazing. I've run into a few problems with my son being ill and losing a drone in a tree. I've gone to reception and they've literally helped me every single time. It's literally, I can't fault the service I've had from reception. We're coming up on the Haven mini market now. You can pop in here for any bits you might need and just take them back to your caravan. They also sell beach toys in here, like buckets and spades, and you get your Haven merch as well. It's a bit of a rip-off in here, if I'm honest. So if you're looking to cook your own food, and a little tip for you is just to pop into the small Morrison's in Hopton Village, just outside the site, which is much cheaper. And if you're looking for more choice, then there's some bigger shops like Lidl and Aldi and Tesco, all within a 15-minute drive. I've been buying all my food from there and just bringing it back to the site, which is a lot cheaper, and you're more than welcome to do that as well. As we walk around, you'll notice there's a lot of trees around here. It's so beautifully kept. I've been extremely impressed with the whole park. It's all beautifully landscaped with beautiful plants, bushes, flowers. All the blossom trees are coming through now as well. It's just beautiful. I've been so impressed. Ahead of us, you'll find some caravans for sale if you have enough money to buy yourself a little slice of paradise. So you can actually walk in and have a look. Apparently if you book now, you pay no site fees for 7 years. So ahead of us is the swimming pool and activity centre. So here you can find the activities hub, where you can book and find all the children's activities on site. You can book archery sessions, junior segways or a book hunt. There's a ridiculous amount to do. It's impossible to get bored. Activities book up quickly, mind. So a little tip is, especially during the holidays, get on the Haven app as soon as you arrive and book early in your stay. There's even a football pitch here, Nerf guns, a mini aerial adventure course, and climbing wall for the older kids as well. Plus little play areas dotted around for little ones too. You'll also find a swimming pool in here. This Haven has 2 pools, a massive heated indoor one called Splash Zone, which is absolutely brilliant. It's like a mini water park with raining palm trees, a big indoor water slide, which my 3 teenage boys have absolutely loved using. It's also got what used to be an outdoor pool, which is now has a roof on it and it's heated, so you can use it all year round. And during the summer months, there are sun lounges for you to chill on whilst the kids play in the pool. If you want to use these facilities, you're going to need to have a Haven Play Pass, which is an additional cost on top of your stay, and you need to book slots. This means the pools are never too busy and everyone gets a fair go. Haven does try to accommodate as much as they can, so every 15 minutes or so they will assess how busy the pool is and allow others to join in if you haven't pre-booked, if it's quiet enough. If you don't want to book play passes, then you can just book a hideaway package instead. And this is the Hopton Pavillion. This is where you'll find Burger King's, Cook's Fish and Chips, Papa John's pizzas. On our right hand side is the Garden House. It's a pub stroke restaurant. So you get Costa Coffees here on your left hand side. And straight through here is the beer garden and the kids play centre. You'll find the whole site is wheelchair accessible as well. Here's the outdoor seating, you can enjoy the weather in the summer. Last week it was a Maybank holiday weekend and this place was absolutely rammed. On your left you've got the climbing wall, a little mini aerial adventure for smaller kids. Crazy golf in front of us. Little play area on the left as well. There's lots of play areas dotted all about the site. Like I was saying, it's also beautifully landscaped. It's all so well thought out. Up there you'll find the archery. These are all an additional cost on top of your play passes, by the way. And on the right is the owner's lounge. You can't go in there if you're just on here on holiday and renting. It's only for caravan owners. And there's lots of extra perks for caravan owners. So you can bring your family and they can also have play passes included as well. I think it's up to 10 people. So the Nerf training camp, you can play it from age 6 to 12 and you can book it online again or download the app and book it on the app. And we have a football pitch and a basketball court ahead of us. So there's plenty for the older kids, not just the small kids. Haven's literally for everybody. And just up here is Oodles Amusement Centre and also where the Marina Bar is, where you'll find all the entertainment. Again, look, completely wheelchair accessible as well. Just up here is the Oodles Amusement Centre, where you can find all your typical seaside arcades, like your 2p pusher games, some rides. It's pretty cool in here. You're going to lose a fortune though. And inside Oodles is the Marina Stage and Bar. It's a nautically themed and a really cool spot to enjoy a drink and a bite to eat with your family. And a little tip for you is to get here super early, because otherwise you're not going to be able to find anywhere to sit, because it's also where they have the entertainment on every evening and it's absolutely heaving, and I mean heaving. You will not find a seat anywhere. In here is where the kids can meet the Seaside squad as well. Like I said previously, you'll need an entertainment pass to access this area, and Haven has security on the doors, so he won't let you in if you don't have the pass. So in here is the bar area, and also you'll find Papa John's. I'm not sure if kids are allowed in this bit or not. I really like the theme in here. It's all tropical. There's a big projector screen here as well, so I imagine you watch the football when the tournaments are on and stuff like that in here. While you're enjoying a pint. Lots of cute little bays. And down here you'll find the toilets. We're going to head out to the beach now and we're going to walk past the laundrette, so I'll show you where the laundrette is as well. It's been really handy having the laundrette on site. This little dot ahead of us is how they deliver your pizzas from Papa John's. So like I say, they deliver it straight to your caravan. I'll show you my caravan in just a short little while. If you enjoy tours around Haven, there'll be more coming up on the channel very shortly. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing, and maybe turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. On our right is the laundrette. So a small wash here will set you back £6. For a larger jumbo wash will be £7.50. You can also use an iron for 20p as well. And we're going to carry on ahead to the beach. These caravans here have an absolutely beautiful sea view. I think most of them are privately owned, or if you book a gold caravan, you're most likely to end up being allocated here. As for the caravans, you can pick where you're staying if you're willing to pay the extra money. Otherwise, you just get allocated your area 24 hours after you check in via the Haven app. There's 15 areas, I believe, in this site. And the best and most expensive areas to stay are the Waterways, Ocean View, which we're on now, and Horizons and Shorefield, because they all have sea views. And each area I've found has its own little feel. And if you're a family and want to be close to the amenities, Thurston is great. And this is where the family and I are crashing for the week. Coming up on our left, just past this caravan here, opposite the Horizon sign, is one of the very many beach accesses. Now this one isn't wheelchair friendly. This has a slope down to it and then steps as well. Further down the beach, just before you come into the park, which I showed you here just before the entrance, if you take a right, you can actually access the beach via wheelchair down that way. So Haven Hopton-Holiday-Village is fantastic, but the best thing about it has to be the direct beach access. The beach has this short tarmac path down to the sand, and there's quite a few steps at the bottom, so it's not wheelchair friendly down this bit. The sand is lovely and golden, and it stretches for miles to Gorleston, which you can see to our left, and then Lowestoft to our right. I was reading that the beach is dog friendly all year round, and there's no beach lifeguard service here. If you're bringing the little ones, you're better off just letting them swim in the pools on the site instead. Now I'll take you back to our caravan. We're staying in a bronze caravan, which is 420 square feet. Haven actually has several tiers when it comes to their caravans. They have the Saver, which is 280 square feet, the Silver at 420, Signature at 420, and Gold, which is 560 square feet. There's also disability adapted caravans with ramps, wet rooms available to book as well as dog friendly caravans. The dog friendly caravans tend to sell out super fast, especially in the peak season, because there's only a few on site. I was kind of dreading staying in a caravan because there's 5 of us staying here, and I figured with my 3 teenage boys being the size of adult men, we wouldn't have a lot of space, but I was actually pleasantly surprised by just how much space we have. Even though we decided on one of the lower tier caravans, I'm actually shocked at how clean and modern it is. It comes fully equipped with double glazing, central heating, and this really comfortable corner sofa that managed to fit us all on really easily. It's got a decent sized 37-inch flat screen TV complete with built-in Freeview. The kitchen itself is modern, equipped with large fridge freezer, gas oven and hob with extractor fan, kettle, as well as a toaster. There's power outlets in every room, and they even come with USB ports, which is a really nice modern touch. The caravan is provided with a mop and bucket and even an airer to dry your clothes on, which was a really pleasant surprise, and we found ourselves needing it throughout our stay. The caravan comes with a double bedroom with a full length mirror and a smaller one as well, a little desk with chair and even a hairdryer. The room also features a built-in wardrobe, 2 drawers on the sides of the bed. You will also find 2 separate plug sockets. The other 2 bedrooms have 2 comfortable single beds, a small mirror and a bedside table with plug sockets. The bathroom is modernly decorated, is equipped with a modern toilet, a soft close lid, a decent sized shower and actually pretty decent water pressure. There's a towel rail and also some shelving along with a mirror and shaving port. Overall, it's a nice little wet room. There's a second toilet and sink, so there's no need to queue for the toilet. The caravans do not come with Wi-Fi, but you can access Wi-Fi in the main facilities. The bed linen was included in the price, and the beds were actually already made up when we arrived, which I was not expecting, and the linen actually feels like decent quality. When your stay at Haven comes to an end, you simply drop off your keys in the bins outside reception provided to check out. I didn't know what to expect with a Haven holiday, and I was genuinely impressed. The caravan we stayed in was spotless, modern and had everything we needed. It really felt like a home away from home. The staff on site were incredible, friendly, helpful and clearly working very hard to keep everything running smoothly. The food on site was definitely on the expensive side, but the quality more than made up for it. Everything we tried was well cooked and tasty. The beach was absolutely lovely too, although unfortunately we couldn't spend much time on there due to strong winds during our stay. One thing that really stood out for me was how beautifully maintained the grounds were. Everywhere you looked was tidy, well kept and inviting. And the price for this? Well, how much do you think we paid? All in all, it was an absolute bargain and I'm converted. I'll be bringing you more reviews from the UK, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.